Today, we're diving into the metal front door pocket storage box, a must-have accessory for your Jeep Wrangler JL JLU 4Z from 2018 to 2024 and Gladiator JT from 2020 to 2024. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, these Molle panels are designed to withstand the toughest conditions, offering durability that far surpasses traditional plastic options. Say goodbye to flimsy storage nets and hello to a more organized ride, with ample space for essentials like paper towels, bottled water, cell phones, sunglasses, and more. Installation is a breeze with a screw method that utilizes your Jeep's original door net screws, ensuring a secure fit without the need for drilling. This set includes 2 metal front door pockets, perfect for both 2-door and 4-door models, but remember, they're not compatible with power seats. If you have any questions, the support team is ready to assist you within 12 hours, ensuring you get the most out of your new Jeep accessory. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.